Crown Agents has been contributing to post-conflict recovery in northeast Syria. By restoring community services in Deir-ez-Zor, our work is helping to remove visible scars of war, making public areas safe and reinstating a sense of hope and optimism for the future. Through the region's largest Cash for Work scheme, we employ workers from the most financially vulnerable households to remove debris from public areas and buildings.
والله بالنسبة للوضع العائلي قبل التوظيف طبعا كان وضعي والله تعبان وحالتي المادية تعبانة وتراكم ديون للمحلات وحالة تعبانة يعني مدخول ضعيف جدا يعني.
الحمد لله كنت مطلوب للعالم وفيتها. عندي ابني مرضان بعثته على الشام سويت له عملية.
Our teams were trained to identify and safely coordinate the disposal of hazardous materials and explosive remnants of war, which were found at 19 sites, mostly schools. To date, we have removed 28,000 metric tons from 128 public sites and buildings. That's the equivalent size of the US Capitol building. This has hugely impacted the lives of 311,000 local residents, including 37,000 school children.
طبعا كنا درسنا بالمدرسة المحدثة وكانت شغالة قديما ما اشتغلت من 2014 ل 2018 كانت متوقفة عملية التعليم بشكل عام يعني
من قلة ماء من قلة الردميات المخاوف من الأنقاض اللي موجودة بالمدارس وتعرف أنت الوضع.
أستاذ أنا متكيفة إذا ألقى مدرستي نظيفة ما بها ركام ما بها حجر ما بها صياخ. أستاذ لما ندخل نلقى مدرستنا نظيفة أستاذ نقدر نلعب مع ربعنا ناخذ راحتنا بباحتنا أستاذ ما حد يا أستاذ يعني يقدر يكسر هالفرحة هاي.
78% of the rubble from the debris clearance activities has been recycled to rebuild and rehabilitate damaged infrastructure. The project has also improved community waste management systems in Deir-ez-Zor by installing bins, providing household waste collection services, as well as locally hired cleanup teams to remove uncontrolled waste from the streets. Our projects have also supported rehabilitation in Raqqa, which according to Amnesty International is considered to be one of Syria's most destroyed cities of modern times, with 80% of buildings left uninhabitable from the war. Here, we've restored street lighting infrastructure, providing safer streets for the 44,000 people who use them daily. Looking to the future, Crown Agents will continue its commitment to restoring pre-war patterns of life in Syria by reinstating basic services and creating further livelihood opportunities. This recovery project is funded by Syria Recovery Trust Fund and has been designed together with the implementing partners in Syria, who have the best understanding of the needs and priorities in Deir-ez-Zor, and technical assistance provided from international solid waste management experts.